I talk to a lot of lawyers about growing their law firms. Invariably, everyone focuses on getting more clients, getting more cases, generating more revenue, lead flow, etc. But the truth of the matter is, your law firm growth is not focused on one thing. It's not focused on just getting more clients. Think about it this way. Your law firm is like a body of an organism. There are numerous systems that work together to make sure that the organism thrives. Same thing with a law firm or any other business. There are 5 operating systems within the entire body, and you need to pay attention to all and every single one of those subsystems in order to make sure that your business grows holistically. Here's why. If you focus on just one thing, imagine it's like going to the gym and lifting weights with like right arm and left leg, and you're working out these 2 parts of your body, but the rest of it is being neglected. What's going to happen? You're going to become like really lopsided. Things are not going to work very well in your business because, for example, if you focus on marketing and sales and you start getting more clients, but you pay no attention to HR and leadership and operations, chances are you will bring in new clients, but the service quality is going to drop. Clients are going to love you a lot less. You will get some negative reviews. Everyone who works at the firm is going to be strained. That's why you really need to pay attention to all 5. What are those 5? Let's start at the top. Leadership/management is at the top of all of the systems. It's like the brain of a body. Why is it at the top? Because it determines what are the goals, what's the vision for the future of the law firm. What are the goals? What are the KPIs? What do we need to accomplish in the next 10 years, 5 years, 1 year? What are the areas for improvement as far as leadership goes? What are the plans how to improve those things? Who is going to be responsible for improving those things? What are the projects that need to be handled? All of that comes from leadership. If you are used to being a lawyer, a leader in your law firm, but not used to being a leader, there are a whole bunch of excellent books that will help you understand how to become a better leader. This video, this post is not about that, but I will be shooting other videos where I will touch on every single one of these operating systems. I will expand on them so you will better understand how they work. So watch those, there will be links in the post. So the first operating system is leadership/management. The second one is marketing. Why is marketing following leadership and management? Well, the reason for that is if management or leadership is the brain of the operation, marketing and sales are the cardiovascular system. They pump the blood, the revenue through the system. Marketing is responsible for attracting prospective clients, and sales, a separate system, is responsible, separate but interconnected. Sales is responsible for converting prospective clients into paying clients. So these 2 systems are integrated, but they're separate. So you have leadership/management, you have marketing, you have sales. The next one is operations. It's actually delivery of the actual services. When you think about each one of these systems, think about how would you set standards and goals for every single one of those systems. This is what professional managers do. This is what entrepreneurs and lawyers who are looking to grow their law firms do to assure that that growth actually happens, and it happens holistically. Holistic growth is a lot easier, a lot less stressful than sporadic growth that's unplanned, where we focus on one thing, and then we realize that everything else that we've neglected is catching up and kicking us on the ass. So you got to make sure that you focus on all of those things. After the operations, the last piece of the operating system, super important one, although all of them are important, is the team/HR. HR is responsible for recruiting the right people, turning them into employees, making sure that they've had all the training they need to deliver services at the standards that you have established for your firm. Ongoing training, hiring, firing, performance management, all of those things are part of HR system and so much more. Each of these 5 systems are incredibly important. They all work together. If you neglect any one of them, things are not going to go well and your firm is not going to grow holistically. It will be a struggle for people in your various departments, although you may not look at them as departments. You may be a solo attorney watching this, and right now you're the one and only employee of your own firm. But in time, if you're looking to grow, it's not all about leads and sales. Leads and sales fuel growth, but everything else should be looked at. Thanks for watching this. Watch the other videos, read other blog posts. I will teach you a lot more about every single one of these aspects, operating systems within your business, which will help you develop a stronger business acumen, which will lead you to become a better leader in your business. And as you become a better leader with stronger business acumen, this will allow you to build a bigger, better, more profitable business.